Hello friends, today we are going to unbox BoAt Granite speakers. Before going to unboxing, do consider hitting the subscribe button. I purchased it in Amazon at 1100 on a sale, but the actual price is around 1500. That price range, this is the best competitor to JBL Go. Let's get started. First look is amazing and impressive. The seal packing is very good. BoAt is always good in packing. Here we got features on the top of the box. On the back of the box, they have given packing contents. Our speaker, micro USB, 3.5mm audio cable, user manual, warranty card, catalog. So without wasting time, let's get started. See the packing, what they have given. Here they have given 3.5mm cable and a catalog and lastly user manual. We have a 1-year warranty card and lastly USB cable. Yeah, finally we got our product out. It has amazing look. And the weight is also very light as they mentioned. It can be easily carried in your pocket like as your mobile. On the top it has a BoAt logo and a hanging rope which makes it so easy to carry. Coming to the features, on the side of the speaker it has given volume adjustments, music changing and a power button. Bottom of the speaker it has a rubber solid cover which protected ports from water. Here they have given one aux port, micro USB port for charging and a memory card slot. It got waterproof and shockproof, was given with IP6 protection. It is better not to drain the speaker for a long time because it is IP6 not IP7 or IP8. You can easily use it while raining but not for a long time. Let me power it up.
Power on. You've plugged into Nirvana. Your device is ready to pair.
So take your phone and connect it.
You're now connected to BoAt Grenade.
Play music.
Give me a sign, yeah. Optimum volume. Why you be saying things I don't wanna play? I've been on my mind, I just wanna let you.
So finally BoAt is proved that the bass was amazing. I played it in a room. It was actually as you hear. And I didn't made any type of editing. We got a LED bulb at here. It has 1200 MHz battery power. They said that it will work 7 hours on one-time charging. One-time charging time is 2.5 hours. Let's plug it on. There is a LED given here for charging. It can also be connected through aux cable.
Disconnected.
Give me a sign if you wanna call.
Remove the aux cable. It automatically turned to Bluetooth.
Your device is ready to pair.
It has Bluetooth version 4.2. Speaker output is 5 watts and it is mono speaker, not stereo. It has only one channel. It is better to buy BoAt than JBL Go, which I reviewed in my recent videos. That's it with the unboxing, guys. Let me see you in the next video. So coming to the review of the speaker, it has actually battery backup of 6 to 6.5 hours. Online streaming like Spotify, YouTube, Ghana, sound is little bit down when compared to offline streamings. Charging time is also around 2 to 2.5 hours. The hanging rope they provided really helps a lot. It says, "Oops, low battery" when battery is low. It can handle water to some extent only because it has IP6 with it. Bass is excellent as it from boAt. Bluetooth range is also very nice as it has Bluetooth 4.0. On pressing the volume up button, it moves to next song. Similarly, on pressing the volume down button, it moves to previous song. On long press, we can adjust the volumes. They given a playback button at third place. Final overview of the boAt.